Yo, 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 what's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Hail the Haven. Oh, let the people know what's good.
We're already in September.
Time flying,
and it feels good to have put out 5 episodes.
Has it been 5 already?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. I haven't been keeping track. I'm not gonna lie.
We've been sailing.
It's felt good to just be back in the swing of things. You know what I mean? Yeah. Like, I never kept track, honestly, when we was.
Yeah.
I would get the episode numbers wrong every week. Didn't care. We rolling. You feel me?
Rolling, facts.
Yeah. But it feels good, man. But listen, y'all know the formula, all right? I ain't gonna hold y'all up too long. We gonna get right into it, all right? I'm hitting y'all with number 5. Okay, Chris, shout out to you. So number 5, list Tekken players that are annoying to play against. The answer is Eddie.
Damn.
That's it. The answer is Eddie.
I thought I was gonna see a lot of Mishimas in this thread, but
I feel like Eddie is the consensus number 1, bro.
So last episode, you know, I mentioned that we were gonna be in discussion about a Tekken tournament coming soon for the Haven.
You did.
And then, lo and behold, here go a whole bunch of comments about characters they don't want to fight against, and I'm just like, why are you putting weak spots out there?
Listen, man, I'm not gonna lie. This is a tactic.
Oh, you think it's bait?
Bait. It's bait, bro. It's bait.
Hey.
You gotta know the population you're dealing with. It's bait. I'm gonna throw another one out there. King. It should be impossible to beat somebody with straight grabs, bro.
Nah.
What you mean?
Nah. King will step in your face.
Bro.
No grab, King will step in your face. He can box for real.
Yo.
He not Steve, but he can box for real.
The grabs are insane, though. Like,
tech it. You should tech it.
Bro.
It's 1, 2.
Listen.
Tech 1, tech 2. Tech 1 plus 2. You do what you gotta do. I've seen somebody get tucked and rolled into like a crazy burrito and just food.
I'm talking about just grab after. I'm like, bro, I need you to chill, bro.
There's one comment that I want to highlight.
Please.
And it's my boy Humble.
Shout out to my dog.
Because Humble had went it up and listed 5 characters. This is crazy talk for somebody who just made Fujin on King himself. I'm just like, I saw Eddie.
Look, top of his list, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Top of his list.
So I'm not bugging.
No, I saw Shaheem, Lars, Anna, and he hates Jin too. I was like, okay.
Lars.
Alexander, later this month, there'll be an announcement.
Yep.
For the Tekken tournament, the Tekken Haven tournament.
Get up.
You know.
Listen, brush up on your skills, man. I'm not gonna lie. If I see Eddies, if I see Lars, Kings, I'm gonna look at you sideways, bro. Get how you get. I'm gonna look at you type crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you. Let's roll on to number 4. Okay, boom. My boy Ken, shout out to you. So, main characters that stole the entire anime. Talk to me, bro.
Gojo. For Jujutsu Kaisen. We had this conversation already. You know how many people thought he was the main character?
Yeah.
Stole.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Obviously, you have your Itachi.
Itachi was so many girls, woman, like man crush Monday.
Insane work.
Like, bro.
Insane work.
I'm like, they was photoshopping him in photos. Him grabbing their cheeks and all that. I'm just like,
that was a crazy era.
Bro.
Levels of creativity has gone through the roof.
Yo.
And I can't be mad at it. Because, you know, it's how you express your fandom.
Yeah.
But come on, son.
Come on, son. Come on, son. Yo, let's go to the comments for this one. Bonnie, my boy, man. Shout out to you. I know y'all see who that is. That's that boy Mustang.
He had...
Talk to me.
One of the best get-backs.
Talk nice, not twice, bro.
He had one of the best anime get-backs in history.
I'm not gonna lie. I would say top 3 and not 3.
It is insane, bro.
You know I'm biased. You know FMAB is my top 3. I would say that's the greatest Get Back. I can go back and look at that moment and watching it, like when I tell you chills, like.
And Envy said, "How dare?" all of it. All that talking was crazy.
What?
Yo, all that talking was done.
You want me to go?
You want me to go?
Yeah,
you want me to go.
I can't even.
Yeah. You know what's crazy? It's between him and Julius.
I'm not gonna lie. Julius was that too, bro. Julius was, yo, bro.
Yeah.
When they first showed his grimoire, they looked up in the sky. I'm like, wait, what?
Yep.
Fire.
King.
Yeah, bro.
King.
Got very crazy. Listen, I ain't gonna do too much. Asta's still cool, but you know, but we gonna go to number 3. Slaw, shout out to you. I always love posts like this. It's always a different change of pace. We always talk about comics, manga, all of that stuff, and we love that stuff. This one, a little bit of nostalgia. We like that. So, the Mount Rushmore of Nickelodeon, live action.
I don't like this list.
I'm not a fan of it either. However, what will you change?
That's declassified.
Me too. And what would you change it to?
All that.
All That was the first show of its kind.
100%.
Kids produced, they wrote, the kids did everything on that show. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, I don't think there's been a show like that since. I would replace Nez Declassified with iCarly, bro.
Easily.
Bro.
Easily.
You got like, iCarly was that.
Yeah. Revolutionary.
Yeah, bro.
She was the first streamer.
Yes.
Yeah, she was the first streamer.
Yes.
She was the,
Yes, before Twitch, she walked for everybody. Yes, bro. Not to mention, Miranda Cosgrove, when I tell you she was making bank.
Super talented.
Yo, I looked it up because I was just curious, right? At some point, she was making $180K per episode. That's an actual figure, bro. I agree with Christian. First comment.
Yeah.
iCarly had more impact.
More impact.
Yeah.
We see right now Kai Cenat.
Yep.
It's one of the biggest
Shout out to Kai.
streamers in
He's
the
doing his
world.
thing. Yep.
Right?
The biggest.
Literally said, yo, his inspiration was iCarly. Yeah, but no, Nez Declassified is out of here.
Don't get me wrong, Nez Declassified isn't like garbage or nothing.
Never said it was. It's just not Mount Rushmore.
It's just on the Mount Rushmore.
You don't belong here.
Yeah.
You're top 10.
Oh, for sure. Absolutely.
Like,
without a doubt.
You know what I'm saying? You're top 10. Everybody don't make Mount Rushmore, and that doesn't mean your show is trash.
Right. It's just Mount Rushmore is the top 4 tippity top, man.
Like, don't get me wrong. I would have loved to see Cousin Skeeter up here.
Because Skeeter was fire.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Listen, this was a dope one. It's always good to think about what we came up on. But let's go to number 2. Shy, shout out to you, my boy. This was an interesting one. So
it was
it was an interesting one for sure.
But as a person who doesn't partake,
and I also don't partake,
this whole I don't have a take on this.
Right.
This was so much more of like, we gonna run straight to the comments.
This is the first time on HTH where we haven't had something to say.
We got nothing to say
about what people have to say.
This is wow.
Yeah, bro. Second comment, Wise, let me roll up right quick. I respect it.
He had to get in that mode.
I respect it.
You know what I'm saying? It's a different way you gotta think about certain things, and he had to get there.
He had to.
Yeah.
Ali Shaw, I'm not gonna lie, he said, I think Swamp Thing got some heat.
It's like the green.
Yo, that's it, bro. He don't, he not gonna name it. He not gonna have no fancy bags. We gonna get right to the craft, bro.
No fancy bags.
No fancy, listen.
Oh my God.
Bro, none of that. No stupid packaging, none of it.
I might have a person.
What happened? Who? The Joker?
Imagine.
I knew you was
Imagine if the Zaz packaging was like playing the Joker cards.
Yo.
Oh my.
And the Joker would be selling it. Yeah.
You know, whatever came out the Crowbar pack would hit different.
Yo, bro. Oh no. Nah.
I'm sorry.
Nah, bro. Nah. Oh my God. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a cop. Listen, this one was fun. Talia Al Ghul pack. Just say no. Just say no. Let's roll on to number 1. This was fire.
This was our first 100 comment post since we started the top 5 again. I'm not surprised who it came from.
Nah.
There's a handful of people I thought this was going to drop from, so I'm not surprised.
Yeah.
Like a handful, I'm talking really about 4.
Yeah.
I'm talking, talk about 4.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Stuff like this always engages though. Like this is something dope that you don't think about, but it's like, oh, let me get in that bag, let me get in that mode.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I didn't know how to cast myself. I left it to the Haven, bro. The way I was casted,
Beautifully.
I'm not gonna lie. I don't got nothing but love for y'all, man. The way I was casted was beautiful.
They know enough of your character
Yes.
to be like, nah, I know who Jamel would
Yeah.
most likely be in this world.
Yeah.
Like, and I'm glad that they did cast you. You know me, I took the safe bet.
Yeah.
The news. This just in. This nigga's a pack. I gotta give a special shout out to Taj. Man said, I'm a sacrifice for the greater good. I die so our hero could get his backstory.
That's tough though. Just in that, I already know his character. You understand what I'm saying? Like, that's fire.
Then, shout out to Jaguar Jackson. Restaurant employee number 14. Respect.
Respect.
I mean,
Respect. You still get paid at the end of the day.
you get a W-2 in this movie.
Yo, I show up, I do my thing, I get paid, I go home. I can't be mad at that, bro. I can't be. Shout out to you for this one.
This one's fleshed out beautifully.
Absolutely. As it should be. Let's go to the honorable mention this week, y'all. Ken. Yo, Ken, chill, bro. One thing about Ken, I'm gonna tell the truth.
If the way I equate it, the way Ken could play a video game and find out its root is the same way I've heard you listen to a song and know where the sample comes from.
Oh yeah, that is a skill.
Like the original.
Yeah, Ken plays and reads everything. Like
He's very eclectic.
he's and that's the same way I am with music. I listen to everything.
Facts.
So it helps with stuff like that. So for him to be able to do that, it's like light work.
Yeah.
It's light work because he's already played most of the equivalents, if not every equivalent.
Right.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong. Before there was Forza Horizon, there was Gran Turismo.
Yes.
That's really what it is.
Yes.
Like, are they the same game? No. Do they have certain similar aspects? Yes. Did one of them lay the foundation for another game to take off, another genre of game to take off and be as great as it is? 100%.
This was an amazing one. But before we go, y'all know we got member of the week. Who is it, bro?
The creator himself. Shout out to Shy.
He's going crazy this week, bro.
Yeah, no,
Going
like
crazy.
for real,
He's going crazy this week.
Going
He
crazy.
had some things he wanted to get off his chest, and the whole Haven got involved.
Anytime Shy makes the top 5, he just wanted to stretch his legs a little bit.
That's literally what it is. I promise you, I have personal, that's literally what it is.
It's like
he's like, yo, let's just shake it up today.
Think about that.
And these are things, I promise you, these are things that he thinks about on the regular.
Like I said earlier in the episode, I expected this from a handful of people.
That's a fact.
Shy is in that handful of people.
Shout out to Shy. Keep doing your thing, my boy. We appreciate y'all for coming back. Thank y'all so much for holding us down. Everybody everybody please comment. Everybody please subscribe to the YouTube. We're trying to get to 1K. We love y'all. Oh, tell the people peace, bro.
What? Oh shit, I get to close the episode.
Yes,
Okay.
bro. Yes, let's flip it up.
Hold on, I'm a little nervous. I've never done this.
Man.
I've never done this part.
You ain't never been nervous in your life. Cut it out, bro.
No, this is different though.
Talk to the people.
I never close the episodes. Yo, that's been another episode of Hail to Haven. No break next week.
No break.
Peace.